Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how we can get Snapchat Plus for free. Now guys, to get your Snapchat Plus for free, the first thing I recommend you doing is for you to go into your Play Store and then make sure your Snapchat application does not have any update. So I'll just come to the search button, look for Snapchat, and make sure mine doesn't have any updates. And mind you, you can still do this even if you have your iPhone by going into your app store and looking for your Snapchat and making sure it doesn't have any updates. But if yours have updates, now go ahead and update your application. Before we head over into doing the remaining process, now I'm just going to tap on open and it will take me straight to my Snapchat. Now the first thing I want to do here is to come to the top left hand corner of my screen and tap on my profile icon. Now this is my profile, and then I'm going to be tapping on the gear icon at the top right hand corner of the screen, or you can call it the settings icon. Now under my email, after seeing my email, you are going to see your Snapchat Plus. Now tap on Snapchat Plus. Now guys, if you get to this stage, where you see your Snapchat Plus under the settings and you do not see yours, maybe you didn't update your application, because if your application is updated, then you should see this feature on your Snapchat. And this is the reason why I started this video with making sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Now go to our Snapchat Plus. Now we're going to tap on subscribe. Now, as you can see, these are the things you'll be getting from your Snapchat Plus. As you can see, this is a whole list of what you'll be getting from Snapchat Plus. Now, I'm just going to tap on next. This Snapchat Plus, it has two subscriptions, and it has both the monthly plan and the annual plan. But for any of them that you choose, you are going to be having your first week free of charge, meaning you are going to be having your Snapchat Plus for free. So I'm just going to go with the monthly plan, and then I'm going to tap on start free trial. Now guys, as you can see, it's going to ask me for my card details. Now you don't need to worry about this. Just know that before the first week expire, go into your app store or your Play Store and cancel your Snapchat subscription. It's very easy, and after that 7 days your card will not be charged. Now I'm just going to click on subscribe because I already have my details on this phone, so there will be no need inputting my card number or anything. It's already saved. Now guys, as you can see, it has been subscribed. So guys, I'm just going to go on and go to my Snapchat, and we are going to get to see the different things we have. As you can see, it says get started with Snapchat Plus. Now there are a whole lot for you to enjoy on your Snapchat Plus. There are a whole lot of things here, so just go on, enjoy your Snapchat Plus for free for these 7 days. Now guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.